Hey there, Bisaya learners! Welcome back to another fun and exciting Bisaya section session. Today we're diving into part 2 of the must-know verb langga, which means care or love. Sounds sweet, right? Well, it gets even better because we're going to explore its different conjugations. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, before we start, quick disclaimer. I'm not a linguist. I'm just a native Bisaya speaker who loves sharing my language with you. So if you have insights or corrections, feel free to drop them in the comments. Now, let's jump in. Here's a fun challenge. We're going to listen to a short conversation between a mom and her son. The word langga appears in different forms. Try to spot them. Ready? Notice also the superscripts on certain words. This is to give you an idea of the Bisaya English translation. Let's listen. Ya, tabangin ko diri be. Tawag sa iyang mama samtang naglaba. Ma, kapoy man kayo maoy. Pero sige na lang, palangga beti ka. Maong mutabang ko. Ingon niya. Nagkatawa iyang mama. Karon padayon ka nagpalangga na ako ha. Sa dihang gusto kag pabor, dali ra kayo kapag palangga na ako. Ang ma, syempre, ang anak nga nagpalangga sa ginikanan, palanggaon sad sa ginikanan. Yan tubag samtang nanilhig, nang hinaot nga naa siya'y bonus pagkaon unya. Did you catch them? Great. Here they are. Nagpalangga, pagpalangga, and palanggaon. We now come to one form of conjugation of langga, which is nagpalangga, nagpangga. Has the root word langga with the prefix nagpa. Final form is nagpalangga. By identifying the suffix, we can recognize that the verb formed is in the progressive causative aspect, which is in action, an action that takes place over a long period of time and is caused by someone or something. Actor focus, factual mood. Another form of conjugation of langga is palangga. Pagpalangga. Pagpalangga has the same root word, which is langga, with the prefix pagpa. Final form is pagpalangga. By identifying the suffix, we can single out that the verb formed is still in the progressive causative aspect, actor focus, but affectual mood. In one of the previous videos, palanggaon is already discussed as one form of langga. As a review, palanggaon still has the root word langga, which with the affixes pa, root, on. Final form is palanggaon. By identifying the affixes, we can compare the verb formed in the table and conclude that the verb is in the neutral causative aspect, which is an action that lasts only momentarily or is immediately completed but is caused by something or someone, goal focus, and factual mood. Now, it's your turn. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of langga. Amazing job today. Now, before we wrap up, let me know. Can you create your own sentences using langga? Type them in the comments and I'll check them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss uh, our next Bisaya lesson. Kita kits. See you.